If you're thinking about investing in real estate this year, there are a few cities worth looking into further due to expected price hikes. They each have their own set of benefits and drawbacks, although many are less expensive than the national average. Welcome to Planet Lux, and in this video we'll see the best places for real estate investment in 2022. Number 8. Boise, Idaho. Boise has a reputation for being one of the top long-term real estate investments in the United States. The supply and demand factors in Boise continue to drive up housing prices. Despite the coronavirus outbreak, home values are skyrocketing and smashing records. Consistently limited inventory in the whole Boise metro area housing market, along with historically low 30-year fixed mortgage rates, keeps demand high, driving up property prices in the region. Housing prices in Boise have climbed dramatically, with the median home sale price in Ada County now over $500,000. In the most recent quarter, the real estate appreciation rate in Boise was roughly 4.53%, equating to an annual growth rate of nearly 20%. Number 7. Dallas, Texas. In 2022, Dallas is another attractive place to invest in real estate. Because of the wide availability of housing stock and the high rental rates in relation to the property price, it is an accessible market to invest in. The Dallas real estate market has a wide variety of investment properties. All you need to do is find renters to rent out the property. Hiring a local property management company can assist you in locating renters for your Dallas rental property. You should consider investing in Dallas real estate because the city has a broad economy with opportunities for people of all income levels. Every day, an estimated 340 people relocate to Dallas-Fort Worth. Dallas has the country's lowest home ownership rate, with renting being more inexpensive than owning. The demand for rental apartments has climbed 14% in the last year, making now an excellent time to invest in Dallas real estate. The metro area is expanding, and it is predicted that at least 20,000 new homes will be built in this area, with a total of 50,000 new single-family homes and 50,000 apartments in Dallas. Number 6. Houston, Texas. Houston is one of the top cities in the world to invest in real estate. This city is the center of the US oil and gas sector, and it provides year-round work opportunities. Greater Houston is Texas's 5th largest metro region, with over 7 million residents, and its population is growing at over double the national average. It is home to 53 Fortune 1000 companies, placing it third in terms of concentration behind New York and Chicago. These powerful macroeconomic drivers are still driving the Houston housing market. The average home is worth $412,000. Given the property values, the rental revenue of $1,550 is relatively modest. The fact that Houston has a very active real estate market, on the other hand, makes it an excellent investment location. Trade volumes are high, and housing stock is moving quickly. This implies that it is quite simple to exit assets and find a buyer for your home. Number 5. Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta is also a great area to invest in real estate. Atlanta provides appealing buying opportunities for savvy rental property investors. In the recent decade, the city's population has increased by more than 14%. Housing demand is being driven by the growing population. Should you invest in the Atlanta real estate market? The city of Atlanta, located in the state of Georgia, is a hot spot for any form of real estate investment. Atlanta has demonstrated potential population growth and employment, both of which are indicators of a thriving real estate market. Atlanta is the state capital and the state's economic center. It is regarded as one of the 10 most productive states in terms of annual GDP contribution to the United States. Atlanta property prices are expected to rise in the coming years as the city continues to experience an economic boom. People will want to beat the competition and buy immediately if they want to create a successful profession in a diversified community, especially today's youth. Number 4. Las Vegas, Nevada. How could we leave Las Vegas out of our list of the top places to invest in real estate? Throughout its history, Las Vegas has had various booms, and it saw a spectacular real estate meltdown during the Great Recession. The comeback in Las Vegas has not received the same attention as the 50% of larger declines in property values did a decade ago. However, its rebound should not deter investors. The Las Vegas real estate market is both solid and predictable for astute investors. Throughout the year 2020, the Las Vegas housing market was the hottest in the country. The Las Vegas real estate market is teeming with new ventures. Its welcoming corporate environment is bolstering the economy and contributing to the excellent Las Vegas real estate market trends for 2022. The number of new firms is growing substantially faster than the national average. Now is an excellent moment to make an investment in Las Vegas rental homes. Number 3. Tampa, Florida. Tampa is also on the list of the best cities in the United States to invest in real estate in 2022. Tampa, Florida, with a population of over 4 million people, is not only a beautiful metropolitan area, but also one of the most popular tourist attractions. This market has various economic development opportunities, and it has been described as one of the hottest real estate markets in the United States in the last year. In Tampa, there is a lot of unsettled demand for entry-level single-family houses. The Tampa property market is steadily expanding, prices are still modest, and houses have a high possibility of appreciating significantly in the next few years. Over the last year, home values have increased by 5.3%. The whole Tampa metro region has fewer than 2 months of available inventory, which is down about 21.4% from last year. This is one of the primary causes of rising property prices. A balanced market is defined as having 5.5 months of inventory. Anything less than 5.5 months in inventory is considered a seller's market in real estate. Number 2. Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas is also on our list of the greatest cities in which to invest in real estate. The Austin property market has exploded, with home values nearly doubling since 2010. Austin's real estate market isn't as large as that in Dallas, San Antonio, or Houston. Austin is merely the state's 4th largest city. However, the Austin housing market is substantial. It is the 11th largest city in the United States as of this writing, and it is the heart of a large metropolitan area. In the last 5 to 6 years, Austin has emerged as yet another tech hotspot. In the last few years, a slew of high-paying tech jobs have relocated to Austin. Because Austin is a young city by many measures, millennials will be the greatest purchasing force in 2022, and this trend is expected to continue in the future years. This will be more appealing for the areas because it is close to neighborhood amenities as well as shopping and hangout sites. Experts in real estate business believe there is no bubble. Austin's economy is robust and diverse. In general, there are very few homes for sale in Austin. It simply hasn't kept up with the rate at which people are moving here. Number 1. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago is also on our list of the greatest cities for real estate investment. With about 3 million people in Chicago and another 10 million in the surrounding metro region, Chicago is the 3rd largest metropolitan area in the United States. Chicago is a huge city with a broad economy and a stable market. It is the headquarters of 32 Fortune 500 firms. It has a high level of private sector employment, and for a variety of reasons, Chicago is one of the best real estate markets in which to invest in rental homes for sale. Over half of the population rents. Because of the high population of renters, the rental income from a Chicago investment property is significantly superior to that of other parts of the country. In Chicago, the average house is on the market for 50 to 55 days. Hot properties, on the other hand, can sell in as little as 2 weeks. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these places do you think would be worth acquiring a property? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.